Starting an email list can really benefit your business, but how do you get those email subscribers?
Incoming Success, the channel where we learn how to start and grow a profitable online business with social media. Let's go!
Hi everyone, I'm Lydia, and in today's video I will share 10 freebies ideas that you can send your audience that they will make them subscribe to your email list to receive weekly updates from you. In order to get them to subscribe to your email list, you must first offer them something like a freebie, so they would subscribe to your email list in order to receive that freebie. And what a freebie is, it can be anything that offers value to them in their business, in their personal life, that will make them want to subscribe to your email list to receive that freebie. So in today's video, I'm just going to cover what you can be offering your audience in order to get them to subscribe to your email list. And having them on your email list is very powerful because you have their emails there and you can market to them every single week through messages in their inbox. So if you want to hear what the 10 freebies ideas I have to give your audience, keep on watching. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for new such videos every single week. Let's go. So depending on the niche you're in and the niche your business is in, there are a bunch of freebies that you can offer. And I'm not going to go directly through, for example, if you're a photographer, you can offer Lightroom presets. I'm just going to give more general options of freebies that you can offer your audience. And in future videos, I will also explain where to add those freebies so they can subscribe to your email list. And I have another video about how to create and send out a freebie with MailerLite. If you are interested, I'm going to link that down below. That video goes through the whole process of actually adding that PDF file or whatever you're offering your audience in an email after they subscribe to your email list. So the first freebie idea that I have for you is a checklist. A checklist is something that is helpful to a lot of people because it helps them stay organized with tasks they have to do, and this can be niche specific. For example, if you're a photographer and you want to tell people about what settings they need to do before taking photos, you can actually give them a checklist as a freebie with all the settings they need to do or all the things they need to do before setting up a camera for an event or things like that. So it can be very niche specific. I offer checklists for Pinterest growth, I offer checklists for social media growth. So this is something you can really do depending on what niche you're in and what your business is all about. So this is something you can offer your audience in exchange for their emails, so for them to be subscribed to your email list. The second freebie idea is an ebook or a book with information that is also printable but is different from a checklist because it doesn't only have the tasks that they need to do and check after they've done it, it actually gives out information. So it is a piece of written information that you will be offering your audience, again, depending on your niche, that they could get a lot of value from. You can tell people exactly what the information is that they will find in that ebook or that little book that you're offering. It can be 2 pages, it can be 1 page, it can be 5 pages, it doesn't matter. What matters is that you are offering valuable information in that ebook, in that freebie, and they will want to subscribe to your email list for that. The third idea is a worksheet. So a worksheet is also something that can be either printable or you can give it digitally in a Google Sheet file or something. But what is different from a worksheet than a checklist or a piece of information ebook, it is that a worksheet contains both. So in a worksheet, you're also offering people information on what they should do, but it also gives them more space to do that work. For example, it is kind of a checklist, but more broad. And again, depending on your niche, you can offer that. But for example, if I were to offer a worksheet for growing on Pinterest, for example, I will offer pages in which they could be writing SEO tips or stuff like that that I've taught them. And I will be giving a little bit of information, and then I will leave them spaces for them to write those specific information about their own profile. So for them to work on their own profile, that is why it is called a worksheet. The fourth idea is a printable. So a printable can be anything you want. If you're a graphic designer, if you're an artist, you can offer people printables of your art pieces or just anything you've designed. People like showing those off in their homes, they like putting those in planners. You can offer printables for stickers, for example, and people can print them out and make them into stickers. There are so many things you can offer as a printable freebie, and I just encourage you to be creative with this. Make sure it is niche specific so your audience would be interested in getting that freebie, so you would have your target audience on that email list. The fifth idea are images. So stock images or any JPEG file that you can offer for free to your audience. For example, if you're a photographer and you shoot beautiful landscapes or you shoot anything that looks amazing in photos, you can be giving those photos for free for people to just sign up to your email list. One quick tip that I have for you is that when you tell people to get that freebie to sign up to your email list, something that will make them not want to unsubscribe immediately will be telling them exactly what they will be receiving because they are subscribed to your email list or because they stay subscribed to that email list. So you have to tell them exactly what they will be receiving. For example, when I tell people get this freebie for my email list, you'll be receiving emails, short and sweet emails full of valuable information on growing your online business. So I'm telling people that if they stay subscribed to my email list, they will be receiving important tips that I don't share anywhere else in their inbox so they can grow their online business. So make sure to promise people something. For example, if you are a product photographer or you sell products or whatever you do, make sure to tell people that if you stay subscribed to my email list or if you subscribe to this email list, you'll be the first to receive updates, to receive discounts, to receive offers that I'll be having on my website or something like that will make them interested enough to stay subscribed to that email list. The sixth idea, and one that I am planning on doing and one that I think is the most efficient, is an email course or an e-course. And the reason why that I think is the most efficient one, it is because an email course takes place in multiple days. So for example, you can be offering, if I would be offering a Pinterest e-course for my business, I would be offering people emails, one email a day for 7 days. For example, I will be telling them this is how long the e-course is going to last, and when they will sign up to get this e-course in their inbox every single day to grow on Pinterest, they will look forward to my emails more and more every single week because they know that the valuable information they received in that e-course can be in any other of my weekly emails. And it will make them look forward to things in their inbox from me, and it will prevent them from unsubscribing. So you can create an e-course basically on anything. You can make it 2 days long, 3 days long, a week long, however you want, but make sure you're offering people valuable information in there so that they won't unsubscribe and they will be really content with the information you have provided. I will create a video soon about how to create such a workflow in MailerLite so you can send that e-course to whoever signs up. So stay tuned for that, and don't forget to subscribe and press the like button if you're enjoying this video so far. The next idea is a free resource library. So I've seen a lot of bloggers doing this. I've seen a lot of people that share insights into their resource library, but only by people who are subscribed to their email list. And the reason for that is because it tells people that you actually have valuable resources there that you want to share with your audience, and that is why you're only sharing them with your email subscribers. So what a free resource library is basically a library that you create on your website, but only people who subscribe to your email list get the link to that or access to that. It is a place on your website where you're sharing basically affiliate links to all the products, tools, business growth tools that have helped you, books that you've read and really have helped you. So basically any tool or resource that you find valuable to you, you recommend it to others, but it is in a free resource library, and usually people list that free resource library at the beginning of their website. That's another great idea to get people to subscribe to your email list and have access to all those recommendations from you. The eighth idea is a discount or coupon code that they can be using on your website. So you can be telling people subscribe to my email list by using a special form in MailerLite or whatever email marketing app you use, but you can do this in any email marketing app. You can create a special form that if people sign up through that specific form, they will receive that specific freebie. So if you tell people sign up to my email list through this form that I have right here, and you will be receiving a 10%, 20% discount code for my shop, and obviously create that discount code in your shop before doing that, so they will be able to apply that at checkout after they receive your email with the code. The ninth idea is a video course. A video course is super valuable to people, and because they will receive a ton of information, valuable information, that you are offering them in video format. And also with writing, you can add a small video course on something you are really good at and offer it for free. You don't have to make an entire 100 lesson course. You can offer a 3 video tutorial course, a 5 video tutorial course that are not very long but offer enough information for people to want to subscribe to your email list to get it. So when they subscribe, if you're using Teachable or something like that, you can be offering a code that they can use to log in and watch that course with, or you can just use downloadable files. You can do whatever you feel. But a video course is something that a lot of people will be interested in, because a lot of people are interested in getting as much free information as they can from you. And another thing that a free video course is good for is that it convinces people that you are good at creating courses, and if they will enjoy that free piece of information that you put out in that course, they will be much more likely to purchase a video course, an online course that you create later that is a paid product. And that goes for any freebie you offer. If people find value in it, they will be much more likely to buy your paid products. And then freebie idea number 10 is any other piece of information that will be helpful to your audience and that will bring value to them. And that can be either a PDF file, whatever you want it to be. It can be, if you're writing poems, just give out a poem that you haven't released yet, or anything like that that you think your audience will enjoy. You can also, for example, craft a list of affiliate programs for bloggers. I know YouTubers that offer case studies on one of their clients' YouTube growth. So basically what they did to grow on YouTube, exactly the steps they took and stuff like that. People are very interested in knowing that. And you can offer that as well in a PDF file. No matter what you choose to give for free to your audience for them to subscribe to your email list, make sure that they will receive value in it, and that will convince them to subscribe to your email list. But then again, don't forget what I told you. Tell them why they should stay subscribed, and the reason for subscribing in the first place should not be that freebie necessarily. It should be that they will receive even more value in their inbox every single week, or wherever you decide to send out emails. So these are all my freebies ideas that you can send to your audience so they will subscribe to your email list. Make sure to comment down below. Comment right now, what is your favorite idea? And if you've used any of these before on your website, let me know down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will make another one soon about how to create and send a freebie no matter the format it is in. I will also create another video about where to place that freebie for maximum visibility on your website so people will subscribe to your email list, and I have a lot more videos coming. So if you don't want to miss any of those, make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell to be notified when I upload, because trust me, you don't want to miss any of these valuable free resources I'm going to share with you in growing your online business. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget you can follow me on Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook pages down below. Thank you for being here, and I really hope to see you in my next video.